Don't go anywhere. Our 1965 Slot Car League continues tonight at Monza in Italy. Hello everybody, it's Trevor Selescu again, the owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. And you know what else I'm the owner of? This nice bowler hat, which fits very comfortably. And this 1965 AC Cobra, which we're about to race right down here on Monza. So, without further ado, let's go to the races! Thanks. Take that up. Oh. All right, here we are, Monza, Italy.
Oh! No wonder you're so smart. Dale holds back, waiting for the right moment to strike. There it is. Oh!
Oh! As soon as I walk away from the corner.
I think we were around that close track.
Oh, nice.
Roger. Very much.
Mark's out of the slot. I'm facing the little camera the wrong way. There we go. Oh, look at that. Rolled right off.
5, 2, 3, 4, lap 17.
Okay.
Kevin is in the lead. He's trying to looking happy. Kevin,
Now that should catch some good footage. Oh! Nice roof roll. Mark's out. And yeah, I got a hairpin here, but this should be a Parabella. But I thought the hairpin would be more violent for crashes. Oh, way over there.
and the trying his darndest coming to let me.
All right. Try to get some nice video photography here.
Holy cow, you're leaning on me.
Well, I'm trying. Well, not by much.
I put the little camera there to catch the crashes through that chicane, and everyone's crashing before they get into it.
Just a lot of laps. You move right across the country too. Yeah. So you simply have to come off.
Do I?
Yeah. That's the solution.
Okay, well, Howard will come off for you. How about that?
Howard's out. That leaves Dale and Kevin.
What do we have, 5 and 2?
And Gavin is in first.
Come on, Kevin.
Not this time.
6,
not.
5, 4, 3,
Oh.
2. Look at that.
Nice.
63 laps.
Speed demons.
63 laps, wow.
60. Wow.
63, so it's
Kevin.
Dale, Howard, and Mark,
Thank you.
and the mysterious car number 6, which is a technical error.
Last night I took
Talk about an amazing race. That was a lot of fun, and I sure wish you guys could join us. But here's our standings. So I've got 34 points. Josh couldn't make it, must have had a school project. Roger got 36, Mark got 27, Kevin got 45, Howard got 29, Dale came in first with 51, and Jeff returned for 26. And so you might ask yourself, where does that put everybody in the standings? Well, I'm in third place with 69 points, Josh is in 7th with 27, Roger is in 5th place with 59, Mark is in 6th with 54, Kevin is 2nd with 87, Howard is 4th with 67, Dale is 1st with 105, the first guy to break 100, and it's only been 2 nights, and Jeff is in 8th place with 28. But our star for the night was Roger, who got in his groove and actually got a couple of first places. So way to go, Roger, and we look forward to seeing you next week at Spa. Well, we hope you enjoyed this nice race night that we had down here at Monster Hobbies, and we really wish you guys could all come down here and race. But there's so many of you guys out there that just love slot cars, I don't even think I'd be able to fit you in the building. However, don't forget to check us out at www.monster-hobbies.ca. And when you subscribe to my videos, if you click on that little bell icon that's beside the subscription thing, you will be notified via email or on your phone, tablet, wherever, that I have uploaded a new video and we can watch together as next week we race at Spa-Francorchamps in Belgium. But if you would like to see us actually build the track, please click on the Italian flag up there. If you'd like to know how the controllers work, click over here. If you would like to see how to set up your digital thing, click here. And don't forget to subscribe to us here so we can make better videos and keep on experimenting with stuff. And we will talk to you next time right here at Slot Car Racing.